All right, gonna keep on going through some Elixir in action. Last time I was working on it, we were implementing a cache. Oh yeah, and let's see, this you're running into was when actually trying to use it. It wasn't working. I'm not 100% sure why. So here we go. Let's see the error again, and then figure out how to solve it. So I guess we go with the code. Probably here. Yeah, it looks like this is the code here. We want to start it. Cool. So we have a PID. And the issue was, okay, so when we do this one again, same PID, means the same process is working for it. The issue is that we can't do other persons. This one doesn't work. Okay, so this is the same stack trace. No, slightly different. Handle call 3, try handle call 4, handle message 5. Call 3. And then here, this one is server process, other person's list. I guess that's the last message sent in. And the current state is my list. No match of right-hand side value error. Already started. I think we have to inspect this stuff. Alright, so just put in some like stuff and I don't know, see what we have. See if we can do like a manual trace. Alright, so let's clear that. Oh, I learned something new earlier today. You can just do recompile. So instead of like quitting out the IEX session like I'm doing here, you can just do this whenever the code up here changes, and then boom, you have the new stuff, which is tight. So, and you'll have like all the same. Okay, so looks like we need the cache. Okay, so hit start once. Once this here is we want to do to-do dot cache server process. We want to pass it the cache. My list. Okay. Okay. Same deal. Other. Okay. So then we get this message going in. Oh, cool. Alright, so let's try it again. We can reuse the same code maybe. Nice, looks like it gave us a new one. My list. And other. So I feel like this is where it should go. We should do a pattern match on this right here. Alright, so one potential difference, if you look at the Elixir in action code here. One thing that is like different between what I'm doing now, what this is doing, is it's using hashdict.fetch. Whereas since that has been deprecated, we are now using map.fetch. So let's go check out the interface for map, or not the interface, but let's see what map returns. Because maybe it doesn't return raw error, maybe it returns, oh, the error I'm getting has already started. Alright, let's look for fetch. Or it just returns error. So that's not it. It's definitely still working. Okay. All right, let's go look at these at this to-do servers thing. That might actually be it, or at least where the issue is. All right, so let's remove this crap and this crap, and let's do here. Recompile. And then, boom. So it's a map. Map.put interface for put is the map, the key, map, the key. And the value. Okay. So here, we're getting closer. Wait, does this work? Nope. Okay. Here. Ah. Wait. This is in our server code. Is that another gen server? What is that? Let's go with that. I'll open on this side. Server code. Here we go. That's the issue. Right here. So the reason why this code is not working is I did an optimization, a premature optimization on it, where I'm injecting like this current server, and it already knows about that one. And I'm actually pretty sure so that no longer works. So cool. Gen servers and gen servers. Map the new. I'm just trying to get this new state. I don't know. I don't know. Let's try this. Okay, so then this needs to change. Are we ever calling that entry? Not yet. Okay. So this now needs to take in a PID, change to the comma, change to the comma PID. Alright, that might work. Okay. Start it up. Oh, whoops. Cross his fingers. Boom. Okay, the third list. Now there's already 2 of them in there. We don't have an interface function to like just return them. I think we did it. I think we did it. IO, move that, move that, move that. Oh, just get rid of that altogether. Cool. feeling pretty good about that. So let's keep on going. So what was that error? How do you remember that? It was already started error. The reason it's already started is because we already had it registered underneath like an atom. Whenever you do a process and give it the name of an atom, then there can only be one of that type with that atom name. So, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I guess we'll just get used to it in time. All right, so we just did all this, and it worked. Boom. Oh, okay. So yeah, we didn't actually like try using it yet. It's probably a reasonable test though. Whatever, it's fine. We have to pass this into the server. Yeah. It's already started. We already have one. So we can do to-do.server.add entry. Now it's going to take in the current server that we're looking at. It's also going to take in an entry, just a map. The date 2017-07-21. Title. Stream more. Cool. Nice. Eat food. And then for 23rd on Sunday, code, chest trains. Boom. And then we can do the entries thing. Entries, we want to give it a date of 2017-07-3. We have to pass the server now. And then 21. Okay. That was working. Ship it. No, it doesn't actually ship it. Alright, here we go. Yeah, so you can just, it's so cool. So you can use a gen server to store other gen servers. So you can use like a server, which is like a long running process, like store other ones. It's kind of like a delegator that'll like do other things. $100,000 to do servers verified with the process running. Alright, we're gonna do this just because that's super tight. Active running processes. Okay. Let's clear that up. I'm going to recompile because there was some we have our cache of servers, and that's equal to to-do.cache.start. Yeah. Now I want to do to-do.cache. Oh, let's see what it's got actually. Okay, so I want to do length of Why is there 58? What? Interesting. So to run, so in the cache itself, 58 processing. Okay. That's like, I was expecting to see 1. That's what I was expecting. It was like 58. Alright. That's cool. Alright, so 1 up to 100,000. We're going to pipe that to in.each. It's going to take in a function that takes an index. Cache of servers. String interpolate. Cool. Oh no. Process doesn't know what that is. That's okay. Whoa. That took a while. I mean, I guess we also started on 1,000 processes, so that's cool. Wow. Wow. 100,058 processes. Hashtag computers. Alright. That's really cool. So Elixir and everything just use processes, I guess. And it used to be 36 whenever this book was written, and now it's 58. It should say processes, whatever. Okay. So a bunch of clients talk to the cache, which the cache starts up a server process for each one of these clients. Yeah, seems legit. Oh, single process, arbitrary clients. So maybe this is like a JavaScript front end or something. That's like a prototypical example, at least in my mind, of a client. Just some sort of like front end that wants to do like get work from the server. Maybe wants to talk to the database or something. Yup. The cache is the issue. Oh, gotta drink this water. It's important. I'm gonna leave it up here. So I remember to drink it more often. $1,000,000 requests per second. Ratio is not a word. Well, I know. .25 microseconds. $40,000 requests per second. Interesting. Yeah, this makes ideas like, what's that idea called when you like throttle the number of like requests that you're actually sending out from a client? Starts with a D. It's like D. Oh, debounce. It's exactly it. Throttle was debounce. All right, yeah. So debouncing makes debouncing like seem much more reasonable. You start thinking about the number of requests that are coming in. Oh, I didn't understand. I just read. I'm gonna read that again. Yeah, that's one of the coolest things. Process waiting for a message is suspended and doesn't waste CPU resources. It's 100,000. They're just like chilling. They don't matter at all. They literally don't matter. They're just chilling there. It's like, well, I guess they have like servers inside of them now. It's a little bit more than like 2 kilobytes each, but either way, it's like really incredible. Cool. Oh, ooh, whoa, flux. Looks very different. Encoding and precision. Cool. Okay. So we can just convert anything to binary. Cool. And we can do binary to term. How does it know? Oh, alright. I guess we're about to play with that. I kind of want to go play with that for a little bit though. Yeah, I want to play with that for like 1 minute. Okay, I'll clear that up. So what happens if we do like Erlang term to binary and we pass it hi, and we want to do thing. Alright, we want to do Erlang binary to term thing. Okay, I wonder if we do the atom. That's the same. I don't know why. That's different. Okay, these 4 characters are the same. Should I just CH? Okay. Hmm. I don't know. What I mess up? All right. function, give it the function. Okay. So it comes out, it's just like a anonymous function. All right, I'm like satisfied right now. We learned about what I'm going to learn without going to read the source code or the documentation or source code, I guess. Cool. We're gonna restore it inside of a file. Call it a database. I love it. I love it. All right. Persistible to do cache. I don't know why these keep on changing. Why couldn't I just put this in like the same? Yeah, I don't need to like teach this stuff or anything. So I'm going to take a little bit and I'm going to recombine my stuff back into one thing. So I have this to-do cache, and I don't want it anymore, pretty much. So I have to do cache. I didn't seem to work. Whatever, I won't take for long. So this one's now get it up here. Oh. I did the wrong one. This one's now. Gotta add cache.mix here. No. I got them both in the same vim session. Alright, I know what I'm gonna do. It's super janky. Not like thrilled my clipboard is broken right now, but it is. So Okay. Ah, yeah. Ooh, I way outthought myself for that one. Alright. It's all good. Here. There. That stays. This is different. We want that goes. Nope. We want this one. Which one? We want that one. I don't think anything else has changed. Remove recursive force to be cache. Let's get rid of to be original as well, because it's not anything. Just going to do. Cool. This is now not going to work. Okay. I guess I could. This server. Through list server and cache. I don't need branches. It's fine. You just build that way up. Okay, so a new thing inside of to do with to do called this. Cool. This is also going to be a gen server. I'm going to single line it. I don't like coming out of format I was doing it. And I'm going to go through this code real soon. I'm just getting it down. Call? Yeah. Interesting. DB folder. Oh, I'm gonna